Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of Full Band for 5th grade for this week. We're just going to hit 3 more exercises for today and a little bit of new information. So here we go. We're on 135 technique tracks. We have studied this one before, I believe, but we're just going to review it again. This has common time, which I'm going to discuss in a second, but I thought we could just play it first since you guys have seen this one before. Here we go. Let's sing and finger it one time and then play it one time. Ready? I will sing it on Da. You guys sing letters. 1, 2, ready? Ta 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 dia da da dia da 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 da. Then we have the repeat sign, of course. Okay. Let's go ahead and play it once with the track. We're going to go slow and then we will go fast. Here we go, guys. Posture. Yeah, sorry about that. My tone was a little bit fuzzy there. I'm trying to play kind of soft. Okay, the repeat sign. Don't forget about the repeat sign. Sorry, that was cut off as well. Let's do it again on normal tempo. This is going to be pretty quick, so be ready, guys. Here we go. It is on. Posture. Nice. Okay, guys. Very cool. Now, I would take a little break. Put your instrument down. And I want to talk about common time. Here I have a quick slide for you. Okay. Here we go. So, okay, I'm going to make sure you guys can see this. I'm going to leave it in this frame. Okay, so time signature. What is a time signature? Anybody remember from 3rd grade how we used to say, how many beats in a measure, right? So time signature. How many beats in a measure, okay? So this kind of time signature is called common time, and it looks like a big C, okay? And it is the same essentially as 4/4 time, okay? Cuatro cuartos, or 4/4, all right? So how do we conduct it? Actually, it is the same as 4/4 time. So everybody kind of wiggle around a little bit, take a stretch break, take your hands, and we're going to learn how to conduct 4/4 time. So we're going to go down, in, out, up, down, in, out, up. Okay, this is the pattern for 4/4, which is the same for common time. So down, in, out, up, down, in, out, up. Okay, that's how we conduct 4/4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, So that's common time, or 4/4. Also, you will notice in these exercises, they're starting to add in repeat signs in the middle of a song. What's that about? So if you start at the beginning and you come across a repeat sign, you're going to go back to the other repeat sign. You're not going to go all the way back to the beginning. Okay, does that make sense? So we would play here, and then we would go back to here, just like this arrow says. Play this part twice, and then end the song because of the double bar or the doble barra. Okay, so those are a few theory things that you're going to see in your book the next few lessons. Heads up on that, right? Okay, guys, back to the book. Let's jump ahead, and we're going to go to number 139. That is this week's new homework. There is a tutorial in your assignment, so feel free to look at that. But I will go over it right now, real quickly. This starts on the high note. But let's go ahead and clap it first because the rhythms are a little tricky. We have a dotted quarter note, negra con punto, and we also have one here. So watch out for that. So let's go ahead and clap this. This is ta, 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 ti, ta. So this is 1.5 beats, 1.5. Okay, so we count ta, 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 ti, ta, or 1, 2, 3, and 1. Or in Spanish, 1, 2, 3, y 1. Okay? Any of those things will work. Gotcha? All right. Here we go. Here's the beginning. Let's clap it. 1, 2, the rhythm, and ta, 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 ti, ta, rest, ta, 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 ti, 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 ta, rest, ta, 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 ti, ta. Okay, got that? Now let's go ahead and sing it. Grab your instrument. We're going to finger along. Here we go. Check your key signature. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and ta 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 ta. B flat trumpet. Ta 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 ti 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 ta. Rest. Ta 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 ti ta. Right? Okay, guys, let's go ahead and play it. I'm gonna try it real slow, super slow, super slow, and I'll put in the metronome. Let's see what this is like. Perfect. Here we go. This speed. 1, 2, ready. Awesome. All right, guys, I could tell you guys were tracking with me because it was nice and slow. Let's go ahead and try it with the boogie accompaniment on Essential Elements. Here it comes. Awesome. Nice job, guys. Okay, so now I just want to hit one more with you guys. This is 150. This is the one that you guys should have done this week for homework. It is a bit challenging. The notes aren't hard, but the dynamics are interesting. We did cover this last week. I showed you guys Haydn's Surprise Symphony, how he figures out the dynamics and makes things really funny. He was a jokester. Okay, so let's go ahead and play this really slow. Let's do it with metronome first, and then we will do with the track. Boom, boom. This is really slow. I might go a little faster. Let's put it up to like 76. A little better. Here we go. Watch out for these accidentals here, and this one here, and the eighth notes, ti-ya-ta-ta, ti-ya-ta-ta. And of course our dynamics. 1, 2, ready? Alright guys, nice. And then let's do it one time with the track because I love the track. Here we go. That was nice and slow. This will be faster. Here we go. Classical. Awesome, you guys. Super job. Super good. Okay, people. Awesome. All right. If you have not recorded this, don't forget it's due today in Schoology. It needs to be uploaded. Okay. Don't wait to the last minute. Hopefully, you've been practicing this little by little because it's a long song this week. Okay. But again, the notes are hard. You guys just need to study it, chunk it. Okay. And do the best you can. And if you need help, again, we're always here to help you. Send us an email, send us a Google Hangout, chat, write in the discussion board. Say, I need help, I want an extra help, and we're glad to help you. Okay, we'll schedule you in to our normal virtual schedules, okay, which is not just Tuesday, Thursdays, 3 to 3:45. We do offer other hours, okay, so we are very flexible for you guys. All right, okay, everybody, take care. Make sure you watch my announcements, and we will see you next time. Have an awesome week. Don't forget to check all your assignments for band. Bye, and practice a little every day. Don't wait till Friday to take your instrument out. Play it a little every day, okay? Take care, guys. Ciao.